So I'm here at a local lake in northern Minnesota, and you can see we've got some pretty poor air quality going on with wildfires in both Canada, and there's a few in the state of Minnesota as well that are affecting our air quality. And what can you do? Let's say you have poor indoor air quality in your home because of these events. How can you address that? Well, we got a new article on Green Building Advisor that's going to appear Saturday morning. So make sure you check it out on greenbuildingadvisor.com.